Have you ever wondered what it takes to move an entire army across the globe? It's not about fighter jets or bombers. It's about this absolute giant of the skies. The C-5MA Super Galaxy, the largest military aircraft in the entire U.S. arsenal. This plane isn't built for speed or stealth. Its mission is pure logistical dominance. Its job is to haul the biggest, heaviest, most outsized cargo imaginable to any corner of the planet. The story of the C-5 began during the Cold War. The U.S. military needed a way to move main battle tanks, helicopters, and massive pieces of equipment anywhere, fast, without relying on friendly ports or airfields. The solution was an aircraft designed from the inside out. The cargo bay came first, and everything else was built around it. Just look at the sheer scale of this thing. Its wingspan is wider than most commercial airliners. The fuselage is so tall, you can stack multiple armored vehicles inside. And to handle all that weight, it has an incredible 28-wheel landing gear system, spreading its massive load so it can operate even from rough, semi-prepared runways. One of its most ingenious features is the drive-through loading system. The entire nose cone lifts up, and the rear of the aircraft opens with a large ramp. This means vehicles can literally drive in through the front and drive out the back, drastically cutting down on ground time and getting it back in the air faster. It's a masterclass in efficiency. Flying the C-5 is a team sport. It's not just pilots in the cockpit. They work hand in hand with flight engineers and a team of loadmasters. Every second of the mission, they are constantly monitoring weight, balance, and the center of gravity. At the scale, there is zero room for error. The cargo has to be perfectly secured to withstand the forces of flight. Powering this beast are for massive high-bypass turbofan engines. They're not designed for raw speed, but for incredible reliability and fuel efficiency, allowing the C-5 to hold its heavy loads over intercontinental distances without stopping. Takeoff is a slow, deliberate, and powerful process. You can feel the immense energy required to lift this much mass off the ground. Once airborne, the C-5 is a gentle giant. It's incredibly stable, not agile. Its sheer size means it just plows through turbulence that would toss smaller planes around. The crew's focus is on fancy maneuvers, but on managing the complex systems that keep the aircraft and its precious cargo safe. When landing, precision is everything. The approach starts miles out, carefully managing speed and descent. The touchdown puts incredible stress on the airframe and landing gear, but it's all engineered to handle it. Once on the ground, even taxiing is a major operation, requiring a huge amount of space and careful coordination. This aircraft doesn't just visit an airfield, it dominates it. The C-5 fleet has been upgraded to the M standard, the Super Galaxy. This brought new, more powerful and reliable engines and modern glass cockpit avionics. These upgrades reduced the crew's workload and significantly improved performance, ensuring this magnificent aircraft remains a vital strategic asset for decades to come. In active operations, the C-5 is the unseen hero. It moves entire combat units in a single go, delivers tons of humanitarian aid after natural disasters, and supports global operations, often far from the public eye. It's a quiet but decisive force multiplier. The C-5M Super Galaxy doesn't represent power with bombs or missiles. It represents power through logistics. The ability to move and sustain forces is the foundation of modern military strength. So when you see a C-5 thundering down a runway, you're not just watching a plane take off. You're watching the very first step to victory. Thanks for watching. If you were as amazed by this incredible machine as I am, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the world's most incredible engineering. See you in the next one.